in-car view. And then at the end, I'll do the yeah, let's go. Whoa!
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to...
What's up, everybody? We are back with another Wreckfest video. Demolition Derby Arena series, or Demolition Derby series. We are going to, well, I am going to do Thunderbolt. I've never done this derby, and it looks like this is going to be interesting. I'm sticking with all the I'm actually going to normal. I think I had it on normal before. Last man standing, everything's the same. I'm also going to do some more derbies with different classes, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But I am going to separate the races and the derbies. I'm not just going to do straight out derbies. I'm going to do a little series, like a mini series of each class, but kind of switch it up a little bit. You know, I did the figure eight the first couple videos, and then I switched to derby, and then I'm going to go back to racing once this little series is done, and then I'll go back to, you guys get it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, share, comment down below. Any other derbies that you really want to see, and I'm going to try not to flip in this one, but it seems to always, wow. We're going to do in-car view real quick before I get destroyed. In-car view, and then at the end, I'll do the yeah, let's go. Whoa! Holy crap. In-car view now, and then we'll do the replay at the end. Holy cow. I can't see it. That in-car view is insane. There's a wall there. Oh, this is gonna hurt. But I wrecked him. Wreck him. Nope, keep moving. Flip it, flip it, flip it. Gotta get him, he's gonna win. Come on, oh, in here. Some of these hits are insane. You never know what's gonna happen. Guys already done it there. And I'm getting 10 opponents left. Oh! 9 opponents left with a flip. 8 opponents left with a spin out. That big car needs to go. Ah! tag teaming me now. Oh! Down to metal. Alright, down to 2 opponents. Let's get it. Oh no. Got him. Ah, you might have won this. Come on, I gotta flip him. Come on. This car has gotten me out before. Down to 2 opponents. Oh, no, 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 no. I need to get him out. He needs to be out. Dang it. Oh! Alright, now I'm on fire. And I beat him, guys. I don't know. Where's my other opponent at? Get off of me already. Whoa! Go! Oh no, I think I just lost. Oh no, I got, alright. I thought there was down to 2. Wow, we gotta check that replay out. Alright, let's see how we did. There's me at the top. I always start, oh that's what I was talking about. That was an actually good hit. Head on. Look at another station right here. I just wanted to see if there was... Oh yeah, that destroyed my car pretty much. Just wanted to see if there was a lift, oh. A ledge. I knocked out the... You need to go in your room. Some high flying accident right into it. Took him out. Dang, he rolled a couple more times. Tried to take it care of him because I knew he got that bigger car. Chance of blasting him. My car was pretty much dead. Back door is open. thought something was broke in my car right there. I couldn't turn. Then I realized nice hits on me. Then I realized that there was a car right beside me. Trying to eyeball it. Oh, that was a nice hit. I was trying to battle just him. I always try to take him out because he seems to always win. He's got a bigger engine than I do. And a beefier motor. Oh, and this is where he almost flipped me. Yeah, I got almost flipped again. I think if that hill wasn't there, I would have been able to nail it. I am up now. That was a nice hit. I think this is when it's down to him and another opponent. Yeah. The other guy must have knocked himself out because I was only hitting him. I was down to like 36, I think. That was a good hit. Oh, okay. So yeah, every hit. Destroyed him. Oh, I lost. Oh, okay. That was no, that wasn't. Was it? Yeah, that was the win hit. I thought I killed myself. All right. I hope you liked that video. Hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the